Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming you have a trusted Apple device or computer logged into iCloud. This replaces email in many cases. Once done, open Settings on iPhone or System Preferences on Mac and tap your name to access Apple ID. Make sure two-factor authentication is enabled or you know the device passcode, because Apple will verify you through an active device or phone number. If you lack a trusted device, you will need account recovery. Start that from the same app. You now perform the actual reset by selecting Password and Security, then change password. This instructs Apple to validate you via the trusted device rather than email. Enter the device passcode when prompted, or approve the sign-in request on another trusted device that shows a verification code. Once you provide that code, create a strong new password. Use at least 8 characters with letters, digits, and a symbol. Make sure to update the password in other apps and devices afterward to avoid lockouts. Finish by signing out where needed and signing back in with your new password to ensure everything syncs. If you didn't have a trusted device or phone number, begin account recovery from the Apple ID sign in screen. This can take days, so be patient. Make sure device date and time are correct and that you have a stable network during recovery attempts. If something goes wrong, add a recovery contact or check that your trusted phone number is correct. Then retry the recovery process as instructed.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.